my god, oh 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 my god. Yes, 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 yes. Now, the reason for all of that excitement is because today is actually, well, hello? Yeah, 24th of July, which means this vlog has been shot and edited and uploaded today. And it's not just a flex, it is, as a matter of fact. As you can see, we're here at Brünnchen, and for the last, well, very long time, I'm so confused because I'm just so happy. This parking lot has been closed due to Corona, and as of yesterday, it is now finally allowed to be here. It's open for cars, so you can actually drive here with your car like I did and enjoy and spectate. So make sure to come over this weekend tomorrow, because it's going to be combined layout for Touristenfahrten, means like GP and Nordschleife combined. You can drive it for the same price. Come here at Brünnchen and spectate. Make sure obviously that you follow the safety rules, so keep distance. You're also still not allowed to grill or barbecue, but you can be here, you can spectate, you can be here with your friends and enjoy the world's most amazing racetrack. Now, on top of that, a quick further announcement. I am here for the next, well, 1.5 weeks till the following weekend, or even the Monday after. So I'll be here in case you want to come here and well, hang out or like do some laps together. Make sure to come over. I will be very happy to see you, because I'm taking like a short holiday from Rimac, but I'll be here. So looking forward to that. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. Looking forward to see you here. And yeah, I'm just gonna be a bit more excited and do some more car spotting. So see you then. Hi. Bye. Good morning, comrades. You probably noticed the difference in quality compared to the previous intro shot, and that's because it was shot on my new camera. That's something that I got. So today, a quick introduction. I got this. This will not be like my main camera. I will still be using my phone because it's just convenient having it in my pocket all the time. But for some videos, like when we make a walk around about a specific car, like Manthey Racing, Cup MR or Robert's E36, it's good to have something better, and something better than the GoPro. So today I'll be using this as well for just like casual vlogs, doing a couple of updates. What's up with the small thing which is supposed to represent a tripod? When I ordered this camera in the shopping basket, it said like, hey, maybe you want to add this to you. And like, yeah, sure, okay. I was expecting it to be like 3 times bigger, but now it's just a cute little thing, but it will be changed. So anyhow, let's start filming with this Sony ZV something vlogger camera, ZV-1, yeah, whatever. Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Just gonna do again the same thing. Well, just like to see how it compares to the phone. Anyhow, good morning, comrades. Oh, I have the flip screen that I can use. It goes like this, and yeah, I need to extend my arm a bit further because it's using the stabilization feature, and that's why it's. But yeah, so far so good. Anyhow, you will see how the camera performs during the day. Let's have a look what's happening at Apex. There are a couple of interesting updates. First of all, we have this amazing clothes hanger thingy, which is the old GT2 RS wing, because now it's GT2 RS MR wing, and it's a pretty fancy hanger. It's been made by Team Schirmer, by the way, so it's like, I think it's the world's first collab of Team Schirmer and Manthey Racing, and especially in the fashion industry, so you saw it first here at Apex. Option Magazine is here because the guys from Option Magazine were here to make a feature on Apex. So in case you're from France, I think they're France-based, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can get it in France. The next feature, do you know which one is going to be? The next or the following? Okay, at some point Apex is going to be in there, so make sure to check it out. The books you have already seen. You can get them at Apex in case you haven't seen them. It's a book about all the local cool roads and how to get there, so in case you're coming to the ring and you want to do a road trip, could be something for you. We have lots of lollies, that's good. We have Diana, as always. We have mail time. Yeah, I got some interesting things. This is a rear brace for the tractor. We have here a painting. Would you be so kind to open it up?
Oh.
Yes. While you do this, and we have also here some shoes that I will open up later, maybe.
There you go.
Nice. You like?
It's pretty cool.
Jumping over Pflanzgarten.
Who this? New phone, who this?
I think it's me.
Okay.
Oh, what's this? Ah, it's like
Cards.
business cards. Yeah, so make sure to check out Pop Bank Color, and he can also do a drawing of your car. I'm gonna put it up in my office. Okay, quick fast forward. The shoes are unpacked. Here they are. Ta-da! And in case you got here from Robert's vlog, and in case you haven't, go check out his video of today. You will know what's up. Okay, what do we have here? We have Schmee's GT40. And the first thing that I notice is actually that the camera is zoomed in, well, like it's zoomed out, but it's, because it's 4K and stabilization is active, I need to be like quite far backwards to be able to film what's happening, to have the object in the frame. We have the 620R that you've probably already seen a lot on Robert's channel. He already made videos with it, like lapping. I still have to publish my video of us just like going on the street with it, but yeah, it's here. GT2R SMR, as always, taxi. Another very important update regarding 620R, not only it is Apex Taxi as you can see, but it has been featured or will be featured soon in Sport Auto Super Test. Yeah, so we'll see how fast this baby can go. Will it be faster than a GT2R SMR? Seriously? Will a Senna be faster than the GT2R SMR? Maybe not faster than the MR, maybe GTR faster than the MR, but even if it will be the fastest car on the Nürburgring, it will be the fastest unreliable car on the Nürburgring. So I guess now let's go to T13 and see how this camera is performing when you try to move things at moving objects. Let's see if industry pool is happening and we can spot some interesting prototypes. Watch your head.
Yeah, I'm good.
You're good. For me it would be a bit, yeah, not good, so that's why it's here. Are we gonna paint it or something?
It's already painted. It's white.
It's white.
It's a good color. You'd think that people that are tall
Yeah.
know to watch out for the most important part of their body
Head.
often.
Often.
But just, I think people get excited and then they're just like, yes, my rental car. Bah!
Or yes, my taxi is here.
Exactly. Bah! It's like so heartbreaking because you can hear like little bits of skull break every time it happens. So that's why we put that there.
Okay, well, I hope it works. I hope it works.
It does. It's like people laugh but are aware.
That's good. It's the best thing. Humor and safety, combining two things. As I'm walking to T13, we're walking past BMW M Test Center, and there's a very interesting prototype. Look at that, a towing vehicle. Yes. It's actually X5M, so I guess you can tow with it. And here we are, T13. Let's wait for some cars. It's also pretty windy, or relatively windy, which is good, so we can test the mic. What's gonna be our first car that just a casual 992, I would say. Hyundai, I guess. And it's very windy, and now I'm walking, as you can notice, as you can tell, so that's a perfect camera test, how it deals with stabilization and wind and suddenly focusing on something else. Oh, I was fully zoomed in previously, so let's do it again. Zooming out, walking, wind, sound, talking. Alright, arrived to my new favorite spot, I would say, pretty much, at Hudson-Bach. And you know, before, like I went to Croatia after the Corona lockdown, so which was like I don't know, like 2 months ago, 3 months ago by now. I made a video, was doing prototype spotting here, and there was a Porsche GT3, yeah, GT3 992, two of them running with no silencers. So basically, well, no OPS, so pretty much straight pipe. Maybe it was like US market one. Sounded so great, and for some reason, I lost the footage. Yeah, that really pissed me off. I don't know, I maybe accidentally deleted, like, because the whole day was gone, so probably, I don't know, I messed up. But anyhow, we're here now, so let's see what kind of cars we are going to encounter. Thank you for flashing at us. So, GGHY, this means Hyundai car, most likely. Sounds electric, right? Yeah, it is. I mean, of course, it could be just like the new Hyundai Kona, or something similar to that. I'm a lot more excited for something else. And while we're waiting for another car to appear, let's do some Nürburgring geographic. Oh no, I missed it. I guess I'm better in spotting cars than nature. Another flat 6. Oh, I apologize for that. Isn't that a fail, calling Zagato V8, I guess? Or is it the V12? I'm not that type of Aston Martin guy. But you know, the issue is like at the Nürburgring now with all the OPF filters and etc. The only naturally aspirated car usually is Porsche, which is like flat 6 for the GT3. Of course you have Lamborghinis, but they're actually not testing anymore because, well, they're done. They're waiting just for the new model. What do we have there? Another issue that we're currently having is that it's now actually lunchtime, and yeah, also test drivers have lunch, especially when you work officially for a company. You're by law required to have a lunch break quite often. So when we were like here with Bugatti a few weeks ago by now, is it like almost a month ago? Yeah, exactly a month ago. We're like doing some spotting, and they're like, well, we're out for lunch, so we'll be off the track for 2 hours. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Well, but anyhow, just a small behind the scenes information. Another thing that is kind of frustrating with this camera is that it's now focusing on the fence instead of on the track. So the car is out of focus and is in focus here. The new S-Class, I guess. I didn't pay attention to the license plate. And we have some yeah, car parts here. Ooh. Interesting. Just plastic. It could be just from the last race, of course, because NLS, did I just call it NLS instead of VLN? Yeah, it's running again. RCN as well. For people who are gonna ask, like, hey Misha, what are your racing plans? None. I have actually like an invitation to drive 24 hours of Zolder. Maybe I'm contemplating. I'm kind of positive towards it, but at this point there's a lot of things happening in my life behind the scenes, off camera. Good things, don't worry, good things related to work, so I really have to do some time management regarding that, so we'll see. But next year I'm planning to do RCN with the ring tractor. Yeah. That's so cool that they're flashing at me. That's the i20N. Yeah, very excited for that car. Should be competing with the Yaris GRMN, I guess. Well, considering the fact that it's lunchtime and I want to publish this video today, so I'm gonna go back home, edit it, upload it, and then later in the evening there's going to be TF. Very much excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed these updates. Make sure to come over again this weekend or the following weekend when I'm going to be here at the Nürburgring, so we can do some cool laps together, enjoy the track. You can finally spectate again, enjoy driving your car or rental car or a taxi. I hope now you really have the extra motivation to come over to the Nürburgring. Of course, if your travel situation will permit it. Again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the camera quality, etc. And see you in tomorrow's vlog. And hopefully I'm gonna try to make it a taxi costs rundown. So see you then. Well, unfortunately, well, maybe I'll try to get some lunch, so there'll be a food shot for this on this camera. A new Defender. Or was it, no wait, Discovery. I don't know, let's go get food, bye.